Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video we will show you beautiful garden decor ideas. So I hope you're enjoying my videos. So viewers, let's start today video. So friends, Babel garden decoration, natural stones and Babel are perfect garden decor. You can choose small stones to create border around flower beds or arrange them into interesting pattern. And the fun idea is not paint small stones, ladybug, beach, flowers, or little house. This tiny decoration can add personality to your garden without making it look round. Wooden garden sink. Wooden sink can give your garden a warm and rustic feeling. You can make a simple sink with a word such as welcome garden blessing. Add a little thing hang this and the sink near the entrance or place it between your plants. You can also add small flowers or leaves around the edges to make it more attractive. Hanging plant. If you don't have much flower space, look up hanging basket are a beautiful way to add greenery without taking up wall space. Use hanging plant near a wall, doorway, balcony or cover photo. Different levels of hanging basket can create a lovely layer effect. And dear viewers, my next idea is weavers. Friends, cozy garden lighting. So weavers, friends, lighting can completely change the atmosphere for a garden in the evening. Street lights can be placed around trees, fence or sitting areas. Solar garden lights are another simple option for pathway and flower beds. For a cozy look, add light and install lights around your outdoor sitting area. Soft lighting can make the garden feel warm, peaceful and inviting. So viewers, I hope you are enjoying my videos. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for the more latest updates, viewers.